Today we are starting our new chapter, factors and multiples. So in this chapter, first we study about the multiples, then the factors. So what are multiples? The multiples actually are, for example, taking a number 2. What are the multiples of number 2? When you multiply 2 with the 1, 2 with the 2, 2 with the 3, 2 with the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you multiply this 2 with the 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get the multiples of 2. Okay. So what is the multiples means? What are the multiples of 2 means? 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 2 into 5, 10 and so on. Okay. So like that when you multiply 2 with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, you will get the multiples. Then what is the multiple of 3? 3 multiple of 3s are 3 when you multiply with the 1, 3 when you multiply with the 2, 3 when you multiply with 3, 3 when you multiply with the 4, like that when you multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, like that numbers, you will get the multiples of 3. So when you multiply a number with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, okay, like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that this is going, okay. So when you multiply that numbers with this one, you will get the multiples. So 3, 2, 6, 9, 12, then you will get a 15, 18, like that it goes. So multiples means the it is just like the table, understand? When you multiply a number with a when you multiply a number with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. When you multiply a number, any number, okay, if it is multiple of 5 means you have to multiply this 5 with the 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to get a multiple of 6 means you have to multiply 6 with the 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to get a multiple of 7 means you have to multiply 7 with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like for 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, okay. Any numbers, okay. So you will get the multiple of what are the corresponding one, understand? So that is called the multiples of a number, okay. So here the numbers, these numbers, you know, when you multiply these numbers with which ones I told, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. These are called natural natural numbers, okay. So these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that, except 0, not 0. If 0 is there means it will be called a whole numbers, okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whole is there, that is why it's called a whole numbers, understand? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 except 0, that numbers we called a natural numbers, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we will called a whole numbers. That is not given in the textbook, but I gave you extra, okay. So you have to study that, so you will learn confused why 0 is not there. So without 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it is going like that up to any numbers, okay. So that it is called a natural numbers, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that it is going. If 0 is included there means we will call it as whole numbers. It's very easy to remember why this whole is there means whole means what are this one, okay. Next we are going to study about a term called least common multiple. This is a new thing for you, least common multiple, okay. Least means very small, okay. Common means common for something, okay, general or common for both, okay. Multiple, so least common multiple, from the word we can remember it. So I will explain it, what is least common multiple. Least common multiple means this will be a common multiple for two numbers, 2 or 3 numbers can be said, okay. Any numbers, if it have a common multiple, if it was a least one, that is called least common multiple, okay. Don't be confused, I will explain it. I am going to write the multiple of 2, okay. I am going to write the multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? When you multiply 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, you will get the multiples of 2 easily. So what are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, okay, like that it goes, isn't it? So I am writing up to this 24, okay. Then I am going to write the multiple of 3, okay. 3, what are the multiples of 3? How you are getting multiples of 3? When you multiply 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it is like a 3 table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, then 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, like that it goes, isn't it? So can you see that here any numbers are common for this 2 and 3. Here you can see that 2 is not here, 4 is not here, 6 is there, isn't it? 6 is common for these two numbers. The other number 8 and 12 is there, isn't it? 12. You can see 12 is common for both these numbers. And 14 is not here, 16 is not here, 18 is here, isn't it? 18 is common for both these numbers. Okay, and 20 is not here. The 24, you can see that 24 is common for both the 2 and 3. So what are the common multiples for this 2 and 3? Common multiples of so 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, common multiples of 2 comma 3. What are the common multiples of 2 and 3? What are the, you can see common multiples. 6 is there, okay, 6 is there, and 12 is there. Then the circle numbers are common multiples. 6, 12, 18, then 24. Actually, if you are writing more multiples, you will get the more common multiples. But we don't need that much because we need the least common multiple. That's why we have to take only 6. Understand? Which is the least, multiple. That is called least one. This is common. Same multiples, 6. Understand? So this number is the common multiple for both the 2 and 3. Among this one, 6 is the least one. Understand? So we can see that the least common LCM of this number is what? 6. Okay. I will show you one more example. Okay. Now what is the LCM of 5, 4, 5 and 4, 5 and 4. We need to find out the least common multiple of 4, 5 and 4. For that one, what we have to do? First we need to write the multiples of 5. 5 multiples 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That much only you have to write. Okay, 5 times are 50. That much only you have to write. No need to write that more. Okay, we need only least common multiple. Okay. So now 4. Now 4 we can see 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Okay, this is the multiples of what? 40. Now find the common multiples of this 5 and 4. 5 is not here, 10 you cannot see, 15 is not here, 20, yes, 20 is here, isn't it? 20. So 20 is here. This is actually the first one. This is actually the LCM 2. Again, can we check do we have any other common multiple? 20, 25, 30 is not 25 is not here. 30 is not here. 35 is not here. 40 is here, isn't it? So you can see, we got the 2 multiples, isn't it? So common multiples of this is actually we can't say this is the only common multiples. Because if you are writing more multiples of 5 and 4, you will get more common multiples. We don't need to, and from here only I am writing. From this data, we can see that which are the common multiples. 20 and 40 are the common multiples. So what we needed not common multiple, we needed the LCM. Least common multiple is equal. Which one is the first one? This is the answer, 20. So this one only we can add. First multiple what you are seeing for common, that is the least common multiple. If you are avoiding this step also, no problem. We need to find out the first one, the least common multiple. Okay. So this is the way we are finding the LCM. Okay. When you are doing more exercise, it will be clear. Okay. Thank you.